ASUS back in June launched what can be called its most powerful smartphone, the ROG Phone. Now this device has just been launched in India and we got some time to spend with it. Hi guys, I'm Robinson is what the ROG Phone is all about. Going by the numbers, the ASUS ROG Phone is arguably the most feature-packed smartphone right now. It has almost everything that you need, from dual rear cameras to dual charging ports, AMOLED screen, squeezable sides, micro SD card support, you name it and it's there. It also has the most powerful set of specifications as well that can give other flagships a stiff competition. And when you talk about the world's first features, the ROG Phone has left no stone unturned. So here's the deal. It is the world's first to feature dual charging ports, world's first to feature dual 3.5mm headphone jacks, and the world's first to include an AMOLED screen at 90Hz frame rate. As for the specifications, the ROG Phone has a 6-inch Full HD Plus resolution screen, Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor, 8GB of RAM, 128GB inbuilt storage with micro SD card support, 12MP plus 8MP rear cameras, 8MP front-facing camera, and a 4000 mAh battery. Along with the smartphone, you get a bunch of accessories including an aero-active cooler, TwinView Dock, mobile desktop dock, GameVice, and Asus Y-Gig dock. While some enhance the gaming performance of the smartphone, others let you play a title on external displays. The handset definitely seems to be the smartphone for gamers. It has the best of features and specs inside a typical gaming themed handset design. Since it is a high-end gaming smartphone, it's pricey as well. The handset costs Rs 69,999. That brings it in the same price bracket as the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. With that price, specifications and features, let's see how the company's first ever ROG phone performs in the market. So guys, that was a quick look at the ASUS ROG smartphone that has just been launched in India. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and YouTube. I'm Robinson and have a great day.